Hey there, April and Ike of Yes Next here.
Hi.
Appropriately tired for our friends dealing with this and this.
Yeah.
All right, we feel for you. We're from the Midwest and have had many years of shoveling heavy snow.
Yeah.
Now, shoveling is a workout just like any other, and it's important to treat it like one, okay? I mean, big cardio strength workout. So please check with your doctor, make sure this kind of strenuous activity is okay to do for you, all right? And make sure that you warm up. It's a workout like any other.
Exactly.
So, you know, do one of our Yes Next warm-up videos, or do 5 to 10 minutes on your own to get the legs, you know, torso, your arms, and get your heart rate up so that you're ready to exercise. That's right, exactly. Okay, and other tips, make sure that you rest when you need to, and make sure that you stay hydrated, okay? Right. It's really important to drink water. You know, even though you're going to be bundled up, you're going to be sweating.
You're going to be sweating, yeah.
That's right. Okay, very nice. So I also want to show you just proper shoveling technique. We're in the desert now, so we don't have a shovel. So we're going to use this broom here. Okay, so it's very important to take your back out of the equation, right? You don't want to bend at your back. It puts a lot of pressure on your back muscles. So you really want to bend your knees, okay? Use your legs and your glutes to be able to put it under snow and then lift up with your knees, okay? So lift up with your legs and use your glutes, okay? All right, so that's shoveling. All right, so we're gonna take a quick pause here and get into stretches that you can do after shoveling without coats.
Without coats. I feel like a doughboy here.
Whew, that was a tough shoveling session,
It was.
Oh my gosh.
Snow.
Okay, so it's nice to be nice and warm and cozy inside. Let's be sure to drink some water.
So much easier without a coat.
Yes, definitely. Gotta cool it down. Put your water aside. All right. Oh gosh. You're probably feeling it in your shoulders, your torso, your glutes. We're gonna go from top to bottom here, okay? So let's just do some nice little head tilts. Oh, yes. Just stretch it out, center, other side. Probably feel that.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's look to your left. Good. Stretch these neck muscles out. Look to your right. Nice. Okay, give me those shoulder rolls. This should probably feel pretty good. You really used your arms and shoulders.
Snow is heavy.
It can be, right? Yeah. Reverse. Yeah, especially that wet, heavy snow. Oh my goodness.
Great for snowballs, but other than
That's right. That's right. Okay, good. Very, very nice. Okay, let's give me some nice side reaches. Oh, just kind of hang out here and breathe. You should probably feel really nice on your side here.
Yeah.
You use your torso to shovel. Okay, good. Let's go the other side. Nice. Breathe. Make sure you breathe. Very nice, very nice. Good job. Okay, let's do that arm stretch. So one arm across the chest, straight arms. You feel this in your upper arm and shoulder. It's a really great one. Yes, very nice. Breathe. Nice work. Yes, these real world workouts really get your heart rate up and burn a ton of calories.
Yeah.
Especially shoveling snow.
Well, I'll tell you, snow is heavy, it's wet, and you got your coat on and you really get hot.
That's right.
Well, hello there, buddy.
Oh, hello, buddy. Hi there.
We're talking about snow.
We're talking about snow. Good job.
You
Okay,
don't know what
just
snow
open
is.
up your chest. Yes. Well, hello. Good boy. Yeah, you good boy. All right. He's watching us shovel, make believe. Hi. And just close and then open again. All right, very nice. Okay, so Mom, now you may want to just have a seat.
Have a seat?
Yeah, have a seat.
Well, thank you very much.
Have a seat. We're gonna just do a nice little gentle twist, okay? You can do the standing too. So I just want you to just like twist it out a little bit because you did a lot of torso work here, okay? A lot of core work. Breathe. Yep. I have my hand on my hip here and just twisting. And let's go to the other side. Yep, head up. Very nice.
Yeah, it feels good.
Oh yeah. This probably feels really good on your back. Okay, so just breathe. Very, very nice. Okay, good job. All right, so the next one we're gonna do is stretch out our glutes because you really work your glutes out a lot. So my mom's gonna do the beginner version. So in the chair, all I want you to do is just kind of, if you can, just lift your knee up and grab your knee and just kind of pull. You should feel a stretch here, okay? Now, if you're more advanced, you could put your ankle
boy,
on your knee
yeah.
like this.
Oh,
This
boy.
just opens up your hip, okay? I want you to do that. You can hold that. Now, if you're able to do it standing, okay? Same thing, ankle above the knee, and
Wow.
then sit your butt back, okay?
Wow.
You'll really feel this in your glute, okay? If you can't do that, just do what my mom is doing here, okay? Breathe, 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 breathe. I'm really feeling this in my right glute, okay? And up. Let's do the other side. So I have my left ankle above my right knee, and I'm sitting my butt back. Notice I'm sitting my butt back. My back is straight. Breathe. Really nice for that glute. Oh, very, very good. Breathe, 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 breathe. I actually love this stretch. It's called figure 4. Oh, very nice. Okay, good job. Okay, so let's now do that hamstring stretch that we love so much. Okay, just reach for the toe. If you want to do it standing, you can do it standing with me here. Just reach, stretch out your hamstring. Breathe.
Feels good.
Yeah, it's good. You should feel good after you do all that shoveling. Okay, and even your lower back, you feel really good. Okay, and other foot, toe to the ceiling, reach. Oh yes, very nice. Breathe. Make sure you're breathing, everybody.
Yeah, don't stop breathing, people.
Don't stop breathing.
Keep
Very
breathing.
nice.
Okay.
And come up gently. Very good. All right. Ooh, that felt good.
It feels good.
All right, really nice. Now, let's do that nice fold over. Okay, so we're sitting in our chair, and I just want you to follow your legs down. Hands down, and you should feel this. Oh, this should feel really good in your lower back.
Yeah.
Okay, breathe. If you want to stand, if you want to do it standing, you can do that too.
Wow, that's pretty good.
Okay, and just kind of hang here. Breathe. You feel this in your lower back. Okay, and come up gently, 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 gently. And very nice. Now, if you want to even do more lower back stretches, we do have a lower back stretch video that is on the floor. So we invite you to check that out. Okay. All right. Let's wrap this up by just doing some nice little point and flex with the feet. Working those feet a lot today. Okay, good.
Yeah, just think you have to wear boots. When
Yeah,
you serve.
exactly.
Yeah.
You should feel this right now in your ankle, but also your calf as well.
Yeah.
Circle, circle, circle. Reverse the circle. Good. Breathe, everybody. And relax. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, nice. Point and flex, point and flex. Really nice. Circles. Good job. And reverse it. And down. Anyway, nice job on these shoveling stretches. Take a break, take a rest, drink water.
You deserve it.
That's right.
Relax.
And relax, all right?
Stay warm.
Yeah, keep warm and stay safe.
Safe.
We look forward to seeing you real soon.